Hi friends, this is Honor Magic Watch 2 46mm brown color smartwatch. I bought the product from Flipkart for 10,200 rupees in the Big Billion Day sale. So I am going to review the product. The review contains two parts. First one, we are going to see about the smartwatch build quality, design, and its operations. And the second part, we are going to see about the software. So wonderful software from Honor, the mobile phone. So please watch the video fully. I put the product link in the description and check description for more details. Now we first see about the packing. See, this comes in a small blue color box. Honor Magic Watch 2. See, it's a small box. Looks good. See, it's a Magic Watch 2 brown color leather type. I think you know brown color was a little bit costly when compared to black color. And see, it's made in China product. It's fully China product. Honor, because Honor was one of the best in the market, the mid range when it comes to smartphone. And see, this important one. Cost was 15,999. So we bought it for 10,200 in the sale. March 2020 imported product from Haryana, made in China. See, and this is a fully Honor China address. Haryana imported by, but made from Haryana I think, but made in China product. And we see what inside the box. See, the packing was really cool. It's a 1.39mm AMOLED panel, silver color at the brown color strap. It's fully made of steel in the middle area and strap was leather, so it was costly. See, fully AMOLED display. Here an A1 processor, fully touch screen. You see what inside the box. They provide layer by layer. See, some paperwork in the sides. We'll see later warranty and everything. But see, this important one. They also provided the black color strap also. So it's very important. See, they provided brown and black color. See, there's a lock, so you can change the strap to the watch, and you can also change outside straps also. Not only the particular two straps. And this is a USB Type-C cable. Length was good and wonderful cable for the price. They provide good quality product. And also on the magnetic charger. See, it's a magnetic charger. Just we need to place the smartwatch on the two knobs. That's all. Charge automatically. See, the watch contains speaker. You can attend call logs are there, contact IDs are there. Everything was in the watch. So wonderful watch for the price. Please watch the full video. See, build quality is excellent. See, very lightweight, but it's silver and it's a very good quality of silver. Don't worry, it's a wonderful product. See, leather quality was fantastic. The quality is only it was a bit costly. See, black leather is also available, so 2-in-1. So wonderful product. 10,200 is the best product. See, the watch is not big or not small. Even small hands also use the watch. See, heartbeat sensor was really working fine. I will tell you later everything in the video one by one. The build quality design fully touch and they provide two buttons also there. See, I'm going to on the smartwatch. Press the top button. Honor logo. And see, we need to download the Huawei Health on our phone. Health app. So first I'm going to download the app. Then only we can able to enter into the settings. First we need to download the app and need to connect to the smartwatch. It is very easy. Yes, we need to on the Bluetooth to your smartphone. It automatically connects to the smartwatch. Don't worry, please don't reset. It may cause some damage to the software, so don't reset. See, this display the name, model, everything, version, everything in the front side. Okay, now I connected to my smartwatch to smartphone. Okay, connected and enter into the smartwatch. See the sides, it is display the heartbeat sensor, stress control, and today's weather, music control. If you connect once, it automatically shows everything on your smartphone. That's all. Right to left, this is the operations. If you press the upper button, it automatically comes to the front side. This is a big operation. Wherever you in the settings, the front button you press, it automatically comes into the front of the display. See, you swipe from bottom, you can see the notifications, WhatsApp and every notification you can able to see. And if you swipe from top, you can see settings, show time, no disturb, alarm, everything from top. Very important was settings. Settings here, everything about the system, about restart, start. See, don't disturb, strength, sounds, display, earbuds. See, you can control the brightness, sound, watch faces also you can able to change, but the software is very deep and good. Don't use watch face in the watch itself. Please use software. You can able to change the watch display. See, the AMOLED panel was very bright and very useful in the sunlight also. It was very bright. Don't need to worry. See, you can have able to connect the earbuds from your smartphone. You can able to control the earbuds from your smartphone. It's a very wonderful option. See, sounds, silent mode, all incoming call, alarm also. Same sound in the smartphone was delivered in the smartwatch. You got a speaker separately. You can adjust the display, brightness, sound, quality, everything in the smartwatch itself. Synth, soft, song. These are the main settings when it comes to smartwatch. Everything you can control in the smartwatch itself. Don't need to use phone every time. When you press the bottom button, see these are the step activities, running, jacking, everything was displayed here. Here you found the call logs. See, call logs are there, and contacts you can able to see. You can able to see everything in the smartwatch itself. Don't need to use the smartwatch every time. See, these are the settings. Notification area, you can able to see the calls, messages, everything. You can able to attend the call using the speaker, the phone itself. That's all. This is the first portion. See, it's important one, outdoor running. This particular steps are everything was in the software in the smartphone, so don't need to worry. If I explain about the smartphone app, then you can able to easily understand about the smartwatch. You can move to the smartphone. See, this is the smartphone app, health app from corner. See, steps counter and minutes. Everything detailed, climbing, running, jogging, everything was detailed. And see, heartbeat monitor, sleep, stress, weight, everything is automatically. First one was me. See in the bottom you can see the settings me. Press the me. You can see messages, my data, achievement, weekly monthly report, my plan, profile, settings, everything was there. You can set your goal and try to achieve the goal for weight loss or weight gain. Everything you done with the app. See the list, settings, messages, my data. See in the my data you can see the steps, distance, climbed, colors band, everything comes under the my plan. Heartbeat sensor, heart rate sensor was really fine, working fine, very accurate. The heartbeat sensor will be resting, high, running, everything was displayed separately. See, this is very important. And second one was devices. It shows the device connected to the particular software called Magic 2. See, connected battery percentage also displaying here. Connected via Bluetooth. It also has GPS. Don't worry. And see, these are the watch faces, but watch face settings separately in the separate settings available there. I will show you later. This is the music control. Watch faces and music in separately. See, these are the watch faces. You need to install the watch faces you want from this list, but the options are main. See the top. These recommended settings. The main settings you don't need to install. These are available. These are available watch faces. See, if you press the gallery at the top. See, if you press the gallery in the top, you can able to set the own photo. See, you can set the photo from the gallery and set it on your own photo on the front side. Every options are available. Watch faces, lots of watch faces available. Lots of watch faces available, and you can choose yourself from gallery or from outside internet or from the given list. And third one was see exercise. If you walking in the morning, just turn on with the GPS and just roam on the road. See the GPS will give a map where you went, from your street to which city you went, everything you're able to see in the map. See, walking, cycling, everything. Let's see in the smartwatch bottom button is connected to the particular option. See, outdoor, indoors are options available in the smartphone. Already it comes. Let's show the map. See, heartbeat sensor, exercise records. This area automatically exercise records comes. Heartbeat sensor, weekly, monthly reports, everything was available. You can able to show the report of the data was very easily. Sleep, weight was not accurate. It automatically give a false height and false weight settings. So don't just use the weight machine. It's very important. Stress, we need to answer lots of questions. So I am still not on the stress control. SPO, all are good. Accuracy was good. Stepping, hard accuracy, everything was good. It's one of the best smartphone, fitness smartphone. It's one of the best smartwatch, fitness smartwatch from my point of view. These 4 settings are very important, very easy settings. Changing watch faces, calculating the heartbeat, running, jogging, everything was very easy with the app. App was wonderful. Speed of the smartwatch was really good. Notifications, everything is coming correctly with the WhatsApp or messages, important messages or bank messages, everything is coming into the smartwatch, but there's no option for replying messages. Just you can able to see the message. See the watch. Heartbeat sensor was working fine, no doubt. You can able to change the tab easily. Build quality was excellent. Silver color, very lightweight, but still the build quality was excellent. Was on the big thing. See, genuine leather. The black color of the leather was available. So 2-in-1 for 10,200 rupees. A brilliant watch. See, look wise, build quality was fine. App was good. Sensor was working fine. I bought it for my father. See, for small hand also looking good. Not very big watch. So every hand, even small hand or big hand, can use the watch. Don't worry. Fantastic watch for the price. I really satisfied with the watch. Wonderful watch. Sport fitness watch actually. When it comes to the battery life, it contains 455 mAh battery. The company claiming it lasts for 14 days, 2 weeks battery. But for me, it lasts up to 9 to 10 days. I on all the sensors, including heartbeat sensor, and 9 to 10 days battery is really good battery life. For the smartwatch, 5 days is enough, but still, if you charge once a week is enough. So it's a wonderful battery life from my point of view. Good battery life, smartwatch. One of the best part was, but your strap also given. See lock control, so easily you can be able to change the strap. Wonderful watch. I think it was very useful. If you have any doubt, please put in the comment section. I will reply in 6 hours. Don't hesitate to buy the watch. It was one of the best brand in the market, and I'm going to thank Flipkart for the wonderful watch in the very less price, 10,200. All options are there. Speaker there, very good AMOLED display, heartbeat sensor working good, all sensors are working good, accuracy was great, fantastic product. Thank you 7. See, I put a product link in the description and thrust weighting scale and thermometer videos are available. Please watch the video by check card above, check description below, check first comment for more details. Thank you 7. If you like the video, please click like button. If you want more video, please click subscribe button. Thank you 7.